Bub, you wanna go outside? It's snowing. You wanna go outside in the snow? Tiggin? Outside in the snow? Let's go. And it's not very much snow, but it's snow. Whoa. Whoa. Tiggy was the snow. Tastes like snow. Snow, my friend. Little cute paw print. Little cute paw print. Those footsteps are mine. As you guys know that follow us, I walk around the yard before I let them out, so that's what when I do a video, I walk around the yard, then get my video ready and record from there. It's very slippery on the brick, so I don't want them running on the brick. We have kind of like a slim layer of ice, and then the brick. Alright, and then the snow on top of the brick. Trigg doesn't really get the crazies like Charlie does. So here we go. Butt wiggle. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get him, boo. Get him. Get him. Oh, Triggy's butt wiggling. Oh, God. Charlie. I'm gonna break a leg, man. Where you go, butt wiggle? So cute. Okay, this is like way too cold to be out here. I think it's 14 degrees right now. Bub, you hurt your paw? You wanna go in? It's slippery, boo-boo. Okay, bye. You can go in ears. Ah! Ah! Nails on the chalkboard, nails on the chalkboard. Just shove your head in there, shove your head in. Okay, good kitty. See, you're coming in too? You just said, okay, that's enough for me. I think I've had enough. Oh, slippery. Look at the little snowflakes on his fur. Alright guys, hope you're having a good day.